Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing an Apple CarPlay head unit system on an old car. This is my wife's 2001 Toyota Corolla. This is the first car that she ever bought, and it is very old. As you can see, there's no screens anywhere, and we're going to be installing this head unit to give her Apple CarPlay functionality as well as a backup camera. We got this product from Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description below. It's about $60, which is a good deal, not too bad. 7-inch screen. It's got a couple of different mounting options. I think what we're gonna probably do is mount it here, something like that. You can use the 3M tape on the bottom to stick it in, and that should hold nicely. I have an in-depth video on how to install one of these on any car, whether it's old or new, and I'll link that in the description and also in the video corner on the top right of the video. All right, so the car is on and I hooked everything up here. It has a power cord. That's middle cord is for the camera, and then the top one is for aux. And the aux input's right over here. Sound quality's okay. The sound system on this old Corolla just isn't very good, so it might sound much better on your car. For now though, let's take a look at the screen. The responsiveness here is pretty good, and I haven't even removed the protective cover yet that it came with. So if you want to go home, it's right over here. And the CarPlay and the Android Auto connects really fast. Actually, it's connected to my wife's phone right now. I'll show you the settings real quick, such as camera format. You can choose 720p or 1080p. This is the reverse camera over here. You can adjust the lines to fit to your car. That's our Civic right there. And if I put it into reverse, it goes into the reverse camera as well, which is very clear, 1080p. And this is nighttime pitch black, and look how bright that is. It's very bright, you can see, and it's very functional. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back into drive or park, and as you can see, the camera turns off. So there's multiple ways to get sound. You can use the FM radio to get sound, or you can use the aux connection as well as even Bluetooth, but this car doesn't have Bluetooth. Those are the main features. Really, you get this for the backup camera and the CarPlay. For this price at $60, I think it's really worth it. It really modernizes the car, especially this car, 2001 Corolla, over 20 years old. This really helps the driving experience when you're in traffic or when you're just driving around. Overall, as you can see, it's right in your driver's periphery, easy to see while still looking at the road if you need to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave a link in the description down below for this product if you want to get one for yourself. I wanted to thank the sponsor of today's video, BeamerTech, this amazing amplifier called the Alpha 1 Lightwave amp, and it's their newest, latest amp. Every product that you purchase from them has a 2-year warranty, so you have peace of mind that everything works well. They also sell complete speaker sets if you wanted to upgrade the whole entire setup. And your audio is going to sound perfect no matter what system you come from, whether it's the Harman Kardon or the individual audio, even the stock bass audio. There is a product for you out there, and BeamerTech has something for you. This coupon code on the screen will give you 10% off all products, and for orders above $1,500, you get 15% off. So this is a massive savings. BeamerTech doesn't do this very often. Take advantage while you still can. This sale is active for the rest of the year, so you can use this code for any products on BeamerTech's website. We installed their latest Alpha 1 amplifier on our friend Mark's 335i and F30, and it made a huge difference in the sound quality. We were able to hear better clarity. The vocals sounded much more crisp, like you were in a live concert. The volume output is louder, so you don't have to turn your volume up as much, which preserves your speakers over time. It's very easy to install because of its plug-and-play nature. The product looks beautiful because of its brushed aluminum finish. It has a really nice touch compared to the stock Harman Kardon amp. Once again, BeamerTech is the go-to for audio upgrades on your BMWs and Minis. If you care about audio quality on your vehicle, you should definitely get the amplifier or the speakers. Thank you for watching, and have a happy holidays.